my name is Tridip and you are watching a new episode of Learn with Tridip. Hey brilliant minds, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a very interesting zoom animation in PowerPoint using the Morph Transition and certain tweaks in the background image of a crop. So by zoom animation, I mean that the way a lens zooms or a telescope zooms and shows you a different part in a much more zoomed way, from a small percentage to a higher percentage. So say for example, in this particular image, if I want that this particular zoom area will show this particular area in much more zoomed way, how to do that animation. If I want to actually zoom a particular section of a landscape, how do we do that? So let's see how this particular effect works, and then I will take you to the process of doing exactly the same. So over here, this lady is standing on this hilltop and we are overlooking a small stream that is passing below the hilltop. I want to zoom to a particular section of the stream. So when I click on this PowerPoint, see how the circle zooms to the particular section and shows it in detail. Okay, so we'll exactly do the same, but I will show you with a different background. We can use any photograph, or if we have created some top view 2D graphics or some cityscape, we can zoom to different area of this particular graphic. Okay, so as we do usually, we will create a new slide, and as I have told, many of my presentations I usually take free images and videos from pexels.com. You should visit pexels.com because it has a humongous collection of really nicely kicked videos and photographs that you can use in your presentation. So yeah, when we have a plain clear layout, I will quickly go to insert and click on pictures from file, and among all these I would like to take this one, or I can take this image also, and this gets inserted in the slide. So if you see that our slide is in a widescreen mode and the image is in the 4:3 ratio, so what we have to do, we have to crop it to fit our slide screen. So I will go over here in the crop and I will choose aspect ratio 16:9 from here. See, it automatically cuts the image perfectly in 16:9. I again click the toggle button of crop and see the entire image has nicely cropped in 16:9 ratio. Okay, great. So what we have to do now, we will create a magnifying glass circle sort of effect, and we will move towards this person who is actually standing on the cliff and doing some yoga, and we will try to zoom over her. So let's see how we do it. We'll just simply copy this thing, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. See, the image has been copied. We'll again go to crop and select the aspect ratio of say 1:1, but before that I will crop it to say I first crop it and say select this way, and then I select crop to shape. First I will do just aspect ratio of 1:1, so you see it automatically takes a square shape. I will just go to this crop to shape, and this is a very nice thing where I can have any crop of any shape I like. So since I am using it as a magnifying glass or a camera zoom, it is preferred to use it as a circle. So I will just click on circle and see this is already a circle. Okay, so and it perfectly fits in that particular area. What I will also do to demarcate that there is a circle, I will give it some outline that will actually works well and create a demarcation that something will be moving. Otherwise you won't be able to see that anything is moving on top of the existing image. So what I will do, I will also click on this line and I will increase the width a bit, so this becomes a good broad thick line around the circle. And what I will also do, I can just simply keep some shadow around it, and we can keep the transparency as 70%, and the size I can keep as 100, and I can blur it a bit so that it okay. So our magnifying glass is done, but what I will have to do now, if you see the background image and the foreground image are of the same size, so let's see how we can give it a magnifying glass effect. Okay, so what I will do, I will quickly click on the crop, and in the image which is there in the background, I will actually increase the size a bit. Okay, nothing less, nothing more, and I again click the crop. Okay, what I'll also do is I will copy this entire slide and paste it. Simple. Now what I will also do, I will move this particular magnifying glass to another side. Okay, and again click over here, go to picture format and say crop. Okay, so what I will do, I will move this thing towards the left so that I am also in the same area of the image. Okay, done. I click on the crop. Okay, see how this particular thing gives you an effect of a magnifying glass. The same way we can use this tool to create various mask magnifying glass effects for various images. Let's do a small animation so that we know how this thing moves. So I will just take this image down and I want to show you that this particular magnifying glass moves from here, from the right to the left, and zooms this person standing on the cliff doing some yoga. Simple. I will click these two particular slide, go to transition and click on morph. Okay, so the first one, what I will do, I will click on mouse click, which I will trigger, and the second one I will just click after 2. Okay, I click on the third slide and then I go to play. I click because I have triggered it with click, and see how the thing moves. Amazing, isn't it? So in this way you can create various effects using PowerPoint, the crop tool, and my latest muse, which is the Morph Transition tool of PowerPoint. You can create various text morph effect also. These are just the ideas that I want to share with you. Typographic effects, graphic animations. If you want to give a scan sort of effects over a cityscape, you can also do that. You can zoom in to a particular people or a tree or fruit or any specific object on a scene using the same mechanism, and we can get fantastic effects out of it. Hope you like this particular video. It is very short and sweet, but it has a very big impact, and you can use this thing in a much more intelligent way so that your PowerPoint slides stand out from the crowd. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video gets uploaded, you get immediate notification. Till then, goodbye, and please visit for more such interesting tutorial in this channel. Thank you.